Hello, my name is Anna Adams from Regional Livestock Exchanges. I'm here today at the Inverell Regional Livestock Exchange in northern New South Wales. Here at the facility, we sell approximately 70,000 cattle per year and around 70,000 sheep per year through our auction system. In addition to that, we have cattle that come through the site to be weighed privately, transit cattle that come here en route to other destinations, cattle on feed, and also cattle on agistment in our paddocks that surround the site. So here at IRLX, we had first used the YoungStar matting around 5 years ago, where we had a particular area of concern on our old weighbridge, where cattle had to navigate a 90-degree turn onto the bridge. And at the time, that flooring was concrete and wire mesh. We found that cattle were quite prone to slipping on that area. So we installed some matting there and we saw some immediate improvements. A couple of years back, IRLX were installing a new weighbridge, and we decided to install the YoungStar matting both on the entryway, on the weighbridge itself, and on the exit where the cattle would walk out and turn off. Since installing the new matting here on the new weighbridge, some of the results and impacts that we've seen are an efficiency in our sale day weighing, so we can actually weigh more lots per hour over our weighbridge. We've had a significant reduction in animal incidents of slipping. They flow really well on and off the weighbridge, which improves our team's safety as well, and also reduces that stress on the animals as they're going through the weighbridge. We've also had a big reduction in maintenance costs, where previously we had to regularly upkeep those high traffic areas with granite. We hose it down every week and it comes up looking brand new, even with the numbers that we put through. We found it's a really high quality product. It provides a safe alternative to concrete, and it really stands the test of time. As IRLX, we have installed this product at multiple sites and we are really happy with its performance.